Hello, good morning students. Welcome to the new video of lesson number 6, that is changes around us. Okay, in last video we have seen the entire chapter, okay, that is reversible and irreversible changes. Then we have seen cause of changes, then we have seen effect of changes as well. Okay, in cause of changes we have seen there are two main causes of change, that is first one is temperature and second one is intermixing of substances, right? So due to the temperature, what are the effect of changes, that also we have seen, and in that we have seen expansion is one of the effect of change due to temperature, then evaporation, then melting and contraction. So evaporation, melting, expansion and contraction, these are the changes, these are the effect of changes due to temperature we have seen. Okay, now in today's video we will see some activities which are given in your NCERT textbook. Okay, very interesting activities, and I think with the help of these activities you will quickly understand, or your understanding will be more powerful of reversible and irreversible changes. So we will see in this topic reversible and irreversible changes. Okay. Reversible and irreversible changes. Okay, with the help of activities which are given in your NCERT textbook, page number 46 and 47. Okay, just read out the activities with me and we'll see what are the changes. First activity is given there in your NCERT textbook, that is activity 1. Take a balloon. Okay, take a balloon and blow it. Take care, it should not burst. What you all need to do is take a balloon and just blow it. Just take care, it should not burst. Okay, the shape of this balloon have changes, right? When you blow a balloon, first there was a deflated balloon, and when you blow air into it, it will change its shape. You just take care, it should not burst. Okay, just keep in mind this first activity. Okay, now activity number 2, second activity is given in your book. Take the piece of paper. Okay, take the piece of paper and fold it as shown in the figure 1.6.2. Okay, in second activity what you all need to do is take a paper, okay, and just fold it as shown in the picture. Okay, you have changed the sheet of the paper into a toy aeroplane. What you will do in the second activity, you change the shape of the paper into the toy aeroplane. Okay, now activity number 3. In third activity, what is given there? Take some dough. Okay, we can say atta. Okay, from which our mother used to make chapati. So take some dough and make a ball. Take some dough of your atta and make some balls. Try to roll out a roti, and you have to just try to roll out a roti. Maybe you are not happy with the shape. Obviously, a mother and the ladies can easily make a round chapati, but we cannot. So I hope you will not be so happy with the shape which you made with the help of that ball. So just leave it. Okay, then you change what change you done, that with the help of the ball. You only make the balls first in a round shape and then you make it a round shaped chapati. So there are the changes. Now all these 3 activities we have to recall. Okay, what we have seen all these three activities. First of all, activity number 1, what we did, we blew air into balloon. We blow air into the balloon and we have to take care it should not burst. Okay. What was the second activity? What was the second activity? Second activity was we have to take a piece of paper and we have to fold it. Fold it into toy aeroplane. Okay. First activity, balloon, blow air into the balloon. Second, piece of paper folded into an toy aeroplane. Third activity was dot into balls and balls into chapati or roti. Okay, now carefully just look at the board what I have written. Okay, forget everything. Simple, I want to give you the example of reversible and non-reversible changes. Okay, what we did, we have taken a deflated balloon, we are blowing air into the balloon. Does it change? Yes, obviously the shape of the balloon is completely changed. Okay, alright, the shape of the balloon is completely changed. Now the balloon is blown up. Okay, in second activity, the piece of paper we have folded in a way that now it is ready to become a toy aeroplane. Okay, the piece of paper we have folded in that way that it is ready to become a toy aeroplane. Obviously, the shape of the paper is changed here as well. Okay, changes are there. In the first activity, shape of the balloon is changed. In the second activity, shape of the page is also changed. In third activity, duff, from that we have made some ball shape, and from that ball we have rotate that ball to make a round shaped chapati. So obviously the shape is here also changed. Getting? Now all these three activities we have to repeat. Getting? Now all these three activities we have to repeat. What we need to update? Okay, three activities you all are clear with it. Now what we need to do change in the activity? First activity, blow air into the balloon. Okay, now what you will do is you have to blow air into the balloon. Now you have to close the mouth of the balloon. You have to tie the knot. You have to tie a knot at the balloon. Take a pointed pencil and try to touch the balloon. Oops! It will burst it out. It will burst it out. Obviously, first activity. Same activity we are repeating with some changes. Okay, here blow air into balloon, then press. Sharp object. Okay. Okay. Blow air into the balloon, that is okay. First activity. Second, piece of paper folded into toy aeroplane. And third was duff into balls. and balls into chapati or into roti. Okay. Now 3 activities are given there clearly. Very good. Okay. Now we have to repeat these activities in some changes, with some changes. First activity you all know. We have blown the air into the balloon. Now we have to tie a knot to the mouth of the balloon and we have to press that balloon with a sharp object or with your sharp pencil. Balloon will be burst. Okay, just keep it in mind. Okay, all 3 activities we are repeating right now. Second, piece of paper folded into toy aeroplane. First of all, we have already folded into a toy aeroplane. Now, in updated activity, what we all need to do, we have to mark that aeroplane with pencil sketch and we have to cut that pieces of paper with the help of scissor. Your aeroplane is ready, it will look more beautiful now. We have cut the piece of paper with the help of scissor. In third activities, already duff, we have made some balls and we have already made some chapatis as well which are in round shape. Now in updated activity, what you all need to do is, you have to bake that chapati on tawa. Heat the tawa and bake that chapatis. Now these 2 activities, what indicate, what is the conclusion? First of all, when we blow the air into balloon, we can get back the balloon shape if we leave the air from it. Change will be reversed. Obviously, what we did, we have blown up air into the balloon, then we have to leave the air from the balloon. Again we will get the deflated balloon. Empty balloon. So the first shape which was earlier we have already we got, so reversible change. So this can be reversible change. Okay. Second, duff, we have made some balls of it and then we made chapatis, round chapatis. Now if somebody will tell you to again make it duff or make the balls from this chapati, can you make? Yes. We can take the chapati and we have to just merge it and again we will get the balls of it, so it will be reversed. It can be reverse change. Reversible change is there. Third, second activity, that was piece of paper we have folded into aeroplane. So again we can get back the paper if the folded will be. If we unfold the paper, we will get back the previous paper, piece of paper which we were having previously. So it will be reversed. Yes, the change will be reversed. So all these 3 first activities are reversible change because we can get the things back as it is. Now what we all to do is, when we have updated or we have done this activity with some other changes. What we did with the balloon, now we tie a knot to the balloon's mouth and we pressed with the sharp object, balloon burst it out. Can we get back the balloon back? No. The change is irreversible. Because now the balloon is burst it out. We cannot get back the deflated balloon as it is. Getting? Second activity. First of all, we have folded into the aeroplane. Now we have cut that paper with the help of scissor. Can I get back my piece of paper which I have previously? No, because now I have cut it down with the scissor. Change is irreversible. Can we change? No. Third one. First of all, we have done make balls and then chapati. But now we bake the chapati on the tawa. Can I get that balls once again? Can I get the duff once again as I have previously? No, not at all. So these changes are irreversible. Okay. So I hope you all are very clear with what are the reversible change and what are the irreversible change. With the same activity I have explained, which already there in your textbook. It's a very interesting, I think. You all have to go through it once again and you will get it what are these reversible changes and what are the irreversible changes. Okay, so that's all for today. We'll revise the further topic as well in the next video. Till then, stay connected with studies and go through your NCERT textbook. Mind it, okay? Let me repeat this thing. Go through your NCERT textbook, read each and every line. You will 50% your understanding will be clear with it. Okay? Thank you and have a lovely day.